Welcome. Today we'll cover why you need an expert partner for your Power BI to Fabric upgrade. Many Power BI Premium customers are now upgrading to Microsoft Fabric. Most of them do it themselves. A simple upgrade to Fabric click, some workspace reassignment, and they're done. But does this basic approach actually deliver enterprise-grade performance and scalability? Most teams stop at basic setup and miss the advanced capabilities that actually deliver ROI. Features like direct lake optimization, real-time intelligence, or AI integration often get overlooked. Let's talk specifics. Are you using Data Activator for real-time alerts? Most aren't. What about OneLake governance with Purview integration, or Copilot enablement with proper guardrails? Canarica has helped reputed companies to move beyond basic Fabric setup. Some of these clients even replaced their entire analytics platform with Fabric after working with us. Canarica is a Microsoft featured partner for Fabric. We're among the first global implementers with multiple enterprise rollouts across industries. We've built migration accelerators that automate migrations from legacy systems to advanced data platforms like Power BI and Fabric, cutting down manual effort by 75%. Here's something most people don't know. Microsoft offers funding programs for Fabric optimization, but only through approved partners like us. This can significantly reduce your project costs. Our clients typically see 300 to 500% performance improvements, 40% reduction in data refresh times, and measurable productivity gains from AI integration. But more important, they get enterprise-grade governance and scalability from day one. If you want to unlock Fabric's full potential without trial and error, let's talk. Book your complimentary Fabric health check at www.canarica.com/meet.